In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AULA F79 Pro. The AULA F79 Pro is a 96% compact mechanical keyboard designed for versatile usage, featuring 100 keys and a rotary multifunctional knob that enhances accessibility while conserving desk space. Constructed with a gasket mount structure, it effectively dampens vibrations and reduces typing noise, resulting in a smoother and more satisfying typing experience. The keyboard is fortified with 5 layers of sound dampening materials to improve acoustic quality, alongside a FlexCut hot swappable PCB and PC plate that enables users to easily switch out mechanical switches without soldering. Offering tri-mode connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C wired connections, the robust 8000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance. Customizable through the AULA driver software, users can remap keys, adjust RGB lighting, and create macros to tailor their keyboard experience. The package includes the keyboard, keycap puller, manual, Type-C cable, and spare keys, making it a comprehensive solution for both desktop and laptop use. Number 2. Hi8 Mechanical Keyboard. The LEOBOG Wireless Mechanical Gaming Barebones Keyboard Kit, model, KL75, is a cutting-edge gaming accessory designed for both desktop and laptop users. Featuring an aluminum alloy construction and a compact 81-key layout, it is distinguished by its RGB backlighting, hot swappable switches, and customizable macro software. The keyboard operates wirelessly via a 2.4 GHz connection and also supports Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, ensuring versatile usage. Its gasket mount design incorporates 5 layers of silencing for a quieter performance, catering to gamers seeking a superior typing experience. With a power supply capacity of 4000 mAh, this keyboard is robust and ideal for extended gaming sessions. Certified with CE standards, the LEOBOG keyboard combines functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it a valuable addition to any gamer's toolkit. Number 3. Akko 5075B Plus V2. The Akko 5075B Plus V2 is a versatile 75% mechanical gaming keyboard designed for both gamers and typists, featuring a compact design and robust functionality. It offers 3 connectivity modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C, allowing users to switch seamlessly between devices. The keyboard is equipped with a 3000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting power, while its PBT keycaps provide a premium feel and durability. The hot swappable design supports various mechanical switches, enabling customization for an enhanced typing experience. With customizable RGB lighting, including per-key effects and a music visualizer, the keyboard enhances any gaming or work setup. Additionally, its gasket structure and multilayer noise reduction technology ensure a comfortable and quiet typing experience, making it an excellent choice for extended use. Number 4. AULA F75 Keyboard. The AULA F75 is a compact 75% mechanical gaming keyboard designed for desktop use, featuring an array of advanced specifications that cater to both gamers and general users. It operates wirelessly via Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz connection, as well as through a USB Type-C wired interface, ensuring versatile connectivity options. The keyboard boasts an RGB backlight with a customizable lighting experience and supports hot swappable KL switches for enhanced user preference. With a total of 81 keys, it includes features such as anti-ghosting for full key functionality, multimedia keys, and plug-and-play capability. The stylish design accommodates various styles, including mini and gaming aesthetics, while its lightweight and portable nature make it suitable for diverse applications. Overall, the AULA F75 combines functionality and style, making it an appealing choice for users seeking a high-performance mechanical keyboard. Number 5. LEOBOG Hi8 Keyboard. The LEOBOG Hi8 CNC aluminum keyboard kit is a versatile and high-performance gaming keyboard designed for both desktop and laptop use. It features an 80-key layout and supports tri-mode connectivity, including Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G USB, and Type-C wired options. Constructed from durable 6063 aluminum, the keyboard is equipped with an impressive 8000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage. The RGB backlighting enhances the aesthetic appeal, while the full-key hot swap capability allows users to customize their switches easily. Additionally, the keyboard incorporates a gasket structure with 5 layers of noise reduction padding for a quieter typing experience, and a multimedia knob for added convenience. Compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Android, and iOS, the LEOBOG Hi8 is an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike, offering a blend of functionality, style, and customization.